More than 30 years after the tragic murder of nurse Sarla Bhatt, the government has reopened investigation in the Kashmiri Pandit genocide case. The Jammu Kashmir State Investigation Agency has launched fresh raids across 8 locations in Srinagar, including jailed terrorist Yasin Malik's Srinagar residence. The investigation is aimed at bringing to justice those responsible for the abduction and killing of the 27-year-old Kashmiri Pandit nurse in April 1990. Remember, Sarla Bhatt, originally from Anantnag and employed at the SKIMS in Srinagar, had reportedly stayed on at the hospital despite threats during the early days of the Kashmiri insurgency. She was kidnapped from her hostel by militants and her body was discovered the next day with a false note labeling her as a police informant. Although an FIR was filed back then, the investigation had stalled for decades, reportedly due to fear among the witnesses and operational challenges faced by the police at that time.
We are just outside the residence of Yasin Malik here in the Maisumal locality. Early morning, that's around 6 a.m. In the wee hours, SIA teams carried out multiple raids and these happened at 8 locations, including the one where I am right now. We've been told that the raids continued for half an hour and all of these people are ex-operatives, ex-commanders of the proscribed Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front. The case of Sarla Bhatt, a Kashmiri Pandit nurse who used to work in the Sher-e-Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences, and in the April of 1990 she was abducted and brutally murdered. Her dead body, bullet-ridden dead body, was found 4 days after her abduction. Since the family had been saying that the investigation, they're not happy with it, it never happened, it never reached its conclusion, there were no convictions and they were demanding justice. Now, of late we have seen that the LG administration in fact gave compensation and also distributed job letters amongst terror victims, and that process is still ongoing. It was also announced that there will be reopening of some cases of targeted killings of Kashmiri Pandits that happened in the early 90s. Justice has not been done and Sarla Bhatt's name was also taken. We've been told that at least 2 more such cases will be reopened and overall the process of more such cases being reopened is an ongoing thing. So that's what has happened today, and in fact, interestingly, it is happening, these raids happening just a day after there was this plea from the NIA in the special NIA court of the fact that